Welcome to the world of expanded gravity, where we explore the true nature of gravitation and its profound implications. In our new theory, energy is the fundamental force that creates gravity. This energy is distributed throughout the universe and is the cause of the observed gravitational effects. We propose that this energy takes the form of a scalar field, which is why it's so difficult to detect directly. However, its effects are observable. Hope you enjoyed this deep dive into expanded gravity.